So what we're doing first, we're going to replace the shift knob. So first you got to get out this inner piece with the gear pattern on it, and it's a real pain. If you can see just how chewed up it is, you can tell that I went through a lot of struggling to get this out just with the flathead screwdriver, but eventually I got that. Then once you get there, there's a 15mm nut that you can just take out real easy, and then this comes off. So I got this custom one. I'll link it in the description. So you don't have to get one that's the exact same size, just make sure you get the correct adapter, which I'll also link in the description. But so this came with this shift knob, so I can put it on. First is put on the adapter nut, then you're going to put on the adapter with the old nut, and these nuts are just used to tighten things down. And then once you've got that on, you can put on the shift knob itself. And then we're going to tighten these nuts with a wrench to tighten it up. But that's what it's going to end up looking like. I like it quite a bit more than the original. Well, the only bad thing is that my original is now destroyed. Yeah, I'll link everything in the description. Pretty easy install.